Hello everyone, welcome to the JHR showroom. I'm happy to show you around today.
Let me show you how we use aluminum make your homes beautiful and safe.
For our product, our biggest advantage is our old factory. We have a 1,000 square meter factory, no middleman, better price, higher quality, and professional after-sales service. Look at this world of certificates. We have ROHS and CE certificates. This means our products are safe and strong. First, look at this Cantilever SlidingGate. There is no track on the ground. It's stable, quiet, and wind resistant. With one click of the remote control, it opens and closes smoothly and safely. Next is the SlidingGate. Its heredity, thin profile, strong and durable. It supports manual and electric operation. Here is the swing gate. Elegant design, fine carving, solid structure is the best choice for your home. Our aluminum fence is anti-rust and weatherproof. It matches perfectly with gates and it is safe and beautiful.
We also provide our new catalog with latest designs, colors, sizes, and project cases for your selection. With this book, you can easily plan your home design.
Welcome to visit our showroom. Thank you.